let us do another important numerical and have more understanding about how to use this expression, that is refraction at a spherical surface, how to use it properly. Now the problem is there is a small air bubble inside a glass sphere of refractive index 1.5. This is a glass sphere. This is the center of the glass sphere. Refractive index 1.5. O is an air bubble of radius 10 centimeter. The bubble is 4 centimeter below the surface. From here, from P to O, that is from the surface of the bubble to O, is 4 centimeter below the surface and is viewed normally from outside. It is the bubble is watched from this side, means from a rarer medium. Mu is equal to air is equal to 1 for air, because this is taken as air. Find the apparent depth of the bubble. Now where the bubble will appear. So what is given is, given PC from P to C is 10 centimeter, that is the radius given in the question. P to O, that is the depth of the bubble below the surface, that is 4 centimeter. PC radius of curvature, PC is radius of curvature. PO is object distance from here. CAN is the normal to the curved surface at A. This is normal. Look, a ray traveling from O in this direction, this is the normal. So this is the angle of incidence within the denser medium. This ray was supposed to travel like this. This ray OA was supposed to travel like this. Going from denser to rarer, it bends away from the normal. It has bent away from the normal. So when produced backward, it appears to come from this point I. This is one ray. And the second ray, which is traveling like this, at this point, this ray traveling from here, from the object like this, at this point, it hits the surface normally. So it goes undeviated. That was explained in earlier classes, earlier lectures. A ray normal to the surface goes undeviated, not refracted. OA incident ray and AV refracted ray. OA incident ray, AV refracted ray. We cannot use the simple formula real depth by apparent depth is equal to mu, since the surface, this surface is not flat. For a flat surface, for a situation like this, object was here, goes straight, appears to come from here. So this object was appearing at I. In this case, real depth from here to here, real depth divided by this apparent depth from here to here was mu. But we cannot apply it here. So we have to apply in this expression, refraction at spherical surface. What you have to remember here is, while using this expression, you must remember mu2 is the refractive index of the medium to which light is going. Mu1 is the refractive index of the medium from which light is coming. V is image distance, U is object distance, R is radius of curvature. Mu2 is the refractive index of the medium to which light is going. Mu1 is the refractive index of the medium from which light is coming from. So here, if you look at, O is the object in the denser medium. Light is going from this medium to this medium, this medium to this medium. So it is going to this medium. Therefore, mu2 is equal to, mu2 is equal to 1 and mu1 is equal to 1.5. So mu2 is equal to 1, V minus mu1 is 1.5, I explained. Then how the object distance is minus 4. Light is going this way. So this direction is positive. The object is here. It is measured from here, from P to O, opposite to the direction of light. Therefore, PO is negative. that is minus 4. So mu 2 1 minus 1.5, radius of curvature is minus 10. Why? The light is going this way. All distances are measured from the pole. Radius of curvature is from P to C, opposite to the direction of light, therefore negative. So this becomes minus 0.5 by minus 10, minus minus cancels, 0.5 over 10. Now, so 1 by view is kept here. Now this is taken to the right hand side. Minus minus plus, when is taken to the right side, becomes negative. So minus 1.5 over 4. This remains same thing as this. So and simplification gives minus 6.5 by 20. So by cross multiply, V is equal to minus 3.07 image distance, and all distances are measured from the pole. The negative sign, the meaning of negative sign, light is going this way. So this direction from here to this side is positive, from here to this side is negative. So V is negative means the image is towards this side from the point P, that is at I.